Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to use hex codes. So what are hex codes? Why do we use them? Why do we need them? Hex codes are specific codes for specific colors that you can use in your planner so you have cohesive looks. So when I make a planner, I put all of the hex codes that I use down here so you can put them into your planner so you can use them and they can all look really cute together and have the right color scheme. If you're into that, you don't have to. But you can also add as many colors as you want. You have literally the entire library of colors that have ever existed in the history of time available to you when you go digital. So what a hex code looks like is this. It'll be a sequence of numbers and letters, sometimes only numbers, sometimes only letters. It just kind of depends. So this color, this is this code. And there's a lot of different ways you can find hex codes as well. There's actually tons of Instagram accounts dedicated to giving you hex code color palettes. There are 1,000,001 of them online, which I'll show you now. Let me go to Chrome. So we'll just type in hex codes. And look, there's like websites dedicated specifically to hex codes, but you can also just go on images and you can see just like tons of different codes available to you. Like this is a really fun one. This is called a flower color palette, but look, now you have all of these codes, and if you really love this color, you can just import it into your planner and now you have it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a way you can do it online. So now I'm on a website, right? And I wanna use this hex code. I can either memorize it and just type it in, but what I like to do is I will long press and hold and just copy it. And then you'll go into your planner. Let's go to like a blank page. And toggle your pen tool on, and see here I have all my colors. These are all the colors that I have that I've imported. I have a ton. More is more. I like tons of options, so that's why I have so many. But if you want to add that code we just copied, you're going to go down here to custom, and you're going to see right here where you can put the code. So we're just going to delete what's there currently, long press and paste. And look, now I have that color and I'm going to add it to my library, and it'll be right here. And now I have that color that I found online. And you can do this with every color that you find. Another way you can do it is also on Pinterest. Let's see, let's go to Pinterest. We're gonna write hex codes. And on Pinterest, you have a ton of people who are super creative and they make really beautiful palettes for you. Like, look at this one. If you wanna do a fun fall spread, look, she's already made this beautiful graphic for you to use it. There's just so many options. Like this one's so fun. Really bright and summery. I love this. I'm actually gonna save this. Oh no. But this is such a beautiful palette. So you just take these colors and copy and paste them into your hex codes, and then you're good to go. You have all the colors you could possibly need. Some of my favorite hex codes is this one. It's a really beautiful, like corally orange. And the code for that one is right here. So it's F9987D. I love this color. Another one is this tangerine color. These are probably my top favorite planner colors. I recently loved peaches, oranges, and coral, which is funny because I'm totally a dark color lover. Like I love deep, dark dual tones, but for right now, this is like my jam. This color code for this tangerine color is FFB62B. And then another one that I super, super love is this watermelon color. Like, ugh. I love this color palette so much. It's so beautiful. So the hex code for that watermelon color is F65353. So those are just a few colors that I really, really love. And that's how you can use hex codes. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Etsy or you can comment below and I'm happy to help you. But that's how you use hex codes. It's so easy, and now you'll have so many fun colors to coordinate your spreads for the seasons. I hope this helps you guys. Bye.